My name is Brian. I'm an outfitter with Chimney and Masonry Outfitters, and today we're going to discuss how to troubleshoot your wireless remote control for your gas appliance. Check it out. If your remote and your receiver are not communicating, there are two pieces that you want to check first. First, you want to check the remote control itself. It needs one 6-volt battery. The second is in the receiver. It takes 4 AA batteries. Change these batteries and repair the controller to your receiver. You don't always have to pair again, but let's run through this really quickly in case you do. In order to pair the remote to the receiver, you have to press the Learn button on the box that you see here. Make sure the tab is in the center position that says remote when you do this. The next step is pressing the on high button on your remote. Voila! Now they're communicating again. Question of the day. Does your fireplace have a remote? Maybe you have a wall switch. Let us know in the comments. We share more content on Facebook and Instagram. Check us out there too. If you're looking to book an appointment, you can reach us on the web at cmoutfitters.com. You can email us at office@cmoutfitters.com too. Lastly, you could just give us a call. Our number is 317-500-1250.